In this video we are going to teach you how to view misfire count in real time on a 2015 Nissan Altima using the X431 torque. First select Nissan. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm ban and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. Select ECM. System info select OK. Select special function. Select misfire count real time. System info asterisk please read asterisk and select OK. Once complete select the back button. And that's how to view misfire count in real time on a 2015 Nissan Altima.